If the counts object has a value of the number 3, then that means the user rolled 3 of a kind. Start by using the object values method and pass in counts for the argument. So we will be talking about the object values built-in method of JavaScript and the includes method. First, we would have the object values of in as a built-in object, I mean method of JavaScript. So what it does is that it will extract the values from an iterable it what from an iteratable object, which could be an array, list, and objects, and as such. In our case, it would be an array. So we would have here as our counts. This will create an array for only the counts of values. So it has a similar feature of the map method, which generates a new array without modifying the original array, which is this one. Then chain the includes method. Includes method actually includes method, if I am correct, or maybe I may be wrong, but includes method actually has a parameter that has from the value, and then it checks the index. But in our case, we will only be passing the number 3. So let's disregard that. And this will check if 3 is inside this new array. So let's have an example here. Perhaps we have an array of perhaps we have an array called array with an element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And say we accessed that array and use the includes method. And we tried to check if we indeed have a 3 inside our element array. And 1, 2, 3, of course, we have our number 3. Therefore, we will have an output of true. And then we now try to find if we have an index, I mean, we have an element of 6 inside our array. We check our array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, we don't have a number 6. Therefore, we output as a false. Therefore, includes method is it a method? Yeah. Therefore, includes method is actually a method that checks if we indeed have a value inside our array, and it either outputs true or false based on the condition which is inside the parentheses of the includes method. Now that we have our example and we've finished chaining the includes method with the value of 3, we should assign this result, I mean this calculation, to the result of a variable with a const called has3 of a kind. Oops, what did we do wrong? Has3 of has3 of, that would be bigger k. So how JavaScript reads this one is that we have a variable called has3 of a kind assigned to the extraction of values with the use of object values method. We extracted the values of the enumerable values of the counts array. Enumerable means something that is able to be counted, and then if it includes the number 3 inside the counts array. So that would how JavaScript reads, and that would be it. Nice.